This is a redo of the Pew-D-Dye that I published earlier today. And this one I'm going to do without any sinew, just some loose rubber bands to hold it in place. And this should result in what I was looking for. If you haven't seen my videos before, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt. It's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes. And then it's been spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. I have flipped the shirt inside out and folded it over on itself. That's shown in every other video except for the two videos published today. So let's go ahead and do this design again. I'm going to regret doing this over that, like that. I know I'm going to regret that. Alright, so let's see. That's not how I did it the last time, was it? Okay, we'll leave it. Let's do this one a little. Let's go like up and over. There we go. Alright, I'm going to go back over this with orange just so I have a better idea of which line to follow. And I'm going to taper that a bit more. And come up over there somewhere. Something like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tie this up. And I don't like starting on something like this, but let's go ahead and start here anyway. Alright, so I just generally need this to stay close to what I just did. So let's see if I can find one of those thin pink ones. There it is. And put that there just to keep it in line. I'll go ahead and do this one. I'll even keep some of the same lines if they're there. Yeah, by lines I mean accordion folds on this. Okay, get that roughly how that's supposed to be, and you see that's moving, but it doesn't really matter for what we're doing. So it's more of a general positioning than precise for this type of design. Alright, here's, I'll need a smaller one for this. Okay, so one more. Let's start this way since it's already got the folds. I don't like folding from this direction, but if the folds are already there, I'll go ahead and follow them. Alright, here we go. I knew that was going to happen. Alright, let's put that close to where I had it and pull that around. Alright, I'll touch this up a little before I fold it over, and same thing here. So that and that. Alright, just trying to touch up some of these, add some extra folds where it would help. Alright, let's just go ahead and pull that up and over this. Leave that the way that is. And pull that on itself. Tie that on there. I'm going to have to go further in order to get that one to stay. There we go. Alright, so this one, let's go and touch this up a little. Alright, I'm going to pull this around here. Alright, and put a rubber band somewhere across this. Hold that. This, I don't know what I'm going to accomplish here. Let's see what we can do. I think I lost a fold in there. Let's pull one back there. Pull one back there. We're going to go this way with it, so just try to touch some of these up. I mean, I'm going for a semi-organic look, so this should all be good. And I'll go ahead and add an extra fold there. Great. Right, put one there. Pull that back down. Alright, so I just need to tighten this one up. And then this right here that I never did, we'll fold it over on itself and just pull one all the way across. Alright, looks good. So off to dye. Okay, the same as the last one. It's better black. It's been thickened with guar gum and fire engine red, just the regular concentration. So let's do this. So I did the same as last time. I did the thickened black over just the top, and I don't know if you saw, there was a lot where it was like a lot dumping out and then a tiny little bit. I was getting clogs because I tried to thicken it further, so tried to take care of that. And then the red was just poured in to go on the bottom. So I'll let that sit for at least 24 hours and heat for the first 2 or 3, and I have some more of the fire engine red to add as it is absorbed into the shirt. So we'll let it sit and see what happens. Alright, time for the washout. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll go put this in the washing machine and then we'll see the final design.